friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw crafty corn for beginners. So first let's get started with the horn on a diagonal, and on the bottom we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the left hand side now we're going to arch this line around, curving this at the top, bringing this back down on the side. Towards the top we're going to draw in a curved line, and then coming down leaving an even amount of space, we're just going to replicate that again. Let's draw on the hair now. So coming across on a diagonal on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the middle. And then again coming underneath on the left, bringing this line around and then back up towards the top. We're going to continue to bring this line around as we start back on our line, curving this around and then down. To the right of this, let's draw on our ears. On the top, we're going to curve this line over. From here, we're going to curve this line up. And then starting back on this line, we're going to arch this around, curving this over and then in towards the bottom. In the center of our ear, we're going to curve this line down. And then on the top, just bringing this line over and then back down on the side. Closing off the hair on the top, we're going to curve this line down, up, and then back down on the right. Moving over for our left ear, we're going to curve this line out and then in. We're going to come down in the center now and draw on the nose. So we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then continuing this across for the side of the mouth, we're just going to arch this line down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now in the middle for the nose, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch out on both sides. On the right, underneath the eye, we're just going to draw in a curved line. For the right eye, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And for the left eye above our nose, we're going to curve this line back up. Now on the outside, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And then we'll do the same on the left, bringing this down. In the middle for the pupil of the eye, we're going to draw in an oval, bringing that underneath. Now closing off the mouth, we're just going to curve this line over and up. And then we're going to continue on this line, arching this line around and then in towards the right. Now for the tongue, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. And then we'll do the same thing as we move down on the left. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in towards the middle. And then we're going to come across on the left and replicate that, curving this line around, blending that in on the bottom. Closing off the side of the head from this corner, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that corner on the right, we're going to arch this line down. Moving in behind our ear now for the hair, we're going to curve this line in. And then on the right hand side, just arching this line out, back in. And then again in that corner, curving this line around and then up. And that is it. That's how you draw crafty corn for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.